This is a Storm Track 5 severe weather alert.
From the Storm Track 5 Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Ricky Matthews. Storms are starting to weaken across the area, but still producing a lot of heavy rainfall, some lightning, and also potential for some small hail and gusty winds. All the severe thunderstorm warnings we had in effect have now expired, but I am watching this storm in Kentucky that's going to move its way towards Leslie and Harlan County, so it wouldn't shock me if we get another warning here in the next little bit, and wouldn't shock me if we get some more warnings as these storms push into Tennessee. Here's a live look from our Home Trust Bank camera on East Stone Drive in Kingsport. Notice all the heavy rainfall falling from these storms and also the ponding the water on the roadways. That's going to be the big story with these storms as they move through the area. Really, the threat for severe weather is going to start to decrease a little bit as we go throughout the evening, but still, we're going to see the potential for some gusty winds and some small hail. Here's Max Alert Radar, and I want to show you where these storms are and where they're heading right now. They're pretty much centered along the Tennessee and Virginia line, across areas near Benhams, over towards Bristol and towards Bluntville. All this line is moving towards the south and east and diving off towards the southeast. So as they move into Tennessee, we're expecting them to reach the Tri-Cities around 8:32, Bluff City around 8:42, Mountain City 8:48. We're heading towards the Sadie area around 8:58, and Elizabethton around 9 o'clock this evening. Now let's go towards the west and show you another area of storminess across portions of Lee County. This was warned earlier, but now that warning, as I mentioned, has expired. No more severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, but some gusty wind potential still exists, just not above severe warning criteria, which is 58 miles per hour. Potential for heavy rainfall, though, still exists across the entire region. So we'll keep an eye on that storm as it moves off towards the north and east. I mentioned the heavy rainfall potential. Here we go. Flood advisories and flash flood warnings in effect. Really, the flash flood warning for portions of Dickinson and Buchanan County. The flood risk is a little lower there, but with some storms still developing and moving off towards the north and east, we'll watch that carefully over the next little bit. Right now, though, not a ton of heavy rainfall in the area. Flood advisory in effect for portions of Wise County, Scott County, Russell County, and Washington County, including Lebanon and Norton. And we also have a flash flood warning in effect for portions of Smith County and Wythe County, and a flood advisory for portions of Tazewell County. So we will keep our eyes on the skies as we go through the next little bit. A severe thunderstorm watch continues for our entire area until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, and a watch continues for Dickinson and Buchanan counties until 10 o'clock tonight. For now, we will return you to regular programming. Join us for additional updates on Facebook and on air throughout the rest of the evening.